Hey guys, my name is Liza. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you how to use Shein discounts in 2025. As a Shein campus ambassador for over 4 years now, I feel obligated to show everybody the tips and tricks that there is to saving money on Shein, because we are some of the very first few people that are shown and told how to maximize our savings. They trust us to go and tell as many people as we know, because they also want to make Shein as affordable as possible. There is so many new ways to get discounts and stack discounts on the app than there was ever before. So keep watching and let me know in the comments if you knew about this. So a recommendation that I give everyone in 2025 is to make a new account. But before you create a new account, you're going to erase the app from your phone. You're going to re-download it, and when you re-download it, you're going to search this code into the Shein search bar. So this will then take you to the prompt to create a new account. And then once you create that new account, you put in all that detail that you need, you will get swarmed with a bunch of new app user gifts. So just claim all of them. So with that 20% claim now, it will then allow you to see the different discounts that you get. And this does last for the first 24 hours that you create the account, with that code being searched in the search bar. So make sure to check out with all of these specific coupons by the end of those 24 hours, because these are amazing discounts. You literally have 60% off on orders over $5. You have 50% off orders over 25, and you even have 40% off over a very low minimum amount. So take advantage of these discounts because they never offer that much off. Once you accept all these new user discounts, you're going to go ahead and type any of these discount codes into the Shein search bar. So these discount codes are different. These, you can search them in the Shein search bar as many times as you want before you place an order, and it's going to offer you a list of items that are heavily discounted. And so some of these items might be already in your cart, but by typing these codes in the search bar, you'll see that it has a much lower price than you might have in your shopping cart. So I suggest you shop through these different discount codes, see anything that you like, add it to your cart. And again, these discounted items will only stay discounted within 24 hours that you put that discount code into the Shein search bar. So obviously, you're going to search these discount codes. You're going to make that new account. If you decide to do so, get all those new discounts. If you don't want to make a new account, that's easy. There is also a 20% off for all users. So all you're going to have to do is type this code into the Shein search bar, and it should give you a little pop-up of a discount code. Go ahead and accept that discount code, and at checkout, it'll offer to apply that discount code. And voila, you will have a 20% off discount every time you shop on Shein, just by searching this code in the Shein search bar. So these discount codes do expire within 24 hours that you type it into the search bar. So just to be on the safe side, before you place an order, make sure to type any one of these discount codes into the Shein search bar to make sure that you're getting that discount applied to your cart before you check out. And these codes will expire every so often. We don't know when they expire. We don't know how long they last, but every time they are updated, I will be posting a new video on my channel, and I constantly post reels with a shorter version of this list. So feel free to subscribe, follow, and just keep up with all the Shein discount codes that I'm going to share with you guys, because I promise you they're going to be worth shopping for. So tell me in the comments if this worked for you, which code worked for you, and how much you saved. And don't be shy. Send this to your friends, because who doesn't want better prices on Shein? Let's be honest here. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.